welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you're going to see the three parts. One is cooking video and my craft and my cute collection. Let me start with the cooking video. Let's see. We start, guys.
Today we are going to do prawn Manchurian. I'm going to show you how to do prawn Manchurian. Okay, first we need 250 grams of prawns, and I've marinated already, and I've added in this marinade, I've added 3 spoons of corn flour, 2 spoons of rice flour, and I've added some garam masala and chili powder and salt. We have to marinate this for half an hour. Okay everyone, today we are going to see what are the ingredients to make prawn Manchurian. So I have taken 2 small size onions, I have chopped it finely, and I have some ginger, and I have some green chilies, I have chopped it like this, and I have some garlic over here, and we are going to use soya sauce, tomato sauce and chili sauce, and we are going to add some salt in that gravy. Actually I have kept ginger and garlic in this separately, but I am going to use ginger garlic paste for the gravy.
Yes, the prawn Manchurian is ready to fry. Okay, Akka, do it fast.
Okay, first we are going to fry the prawns, which is marinated.
The frying smell is so good, guys. Wow! I want to use this. Wow! See the color. So nice.
See the prawn changes its color. We have to fry this.
You want to filter this oil and put in the plate. Okay.
Look of the fried prawns will be like this. You can see, right? Prawns will be like this. Okay, first let the pan to heat. Afterwards we should add 2 spoons of oil.
Sounds so good.
After the oils get heated,
I want to cover with oil.
after the oil is heated, we have to put the onions, the chopped onions into it.
Oh, that sounds so good. You can hear it? Hear it in your comment box.
We have to nicely cook the onion till the onion's color change. Next you have to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste into it. You can also add the ginger and garlic separately, but I have added like a paste. After this, you must put green chilies into it.
This is, guys, the oil was bouncing like balls.
Okay, we must add 1 or half teaspoon of chili sauce. and 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce. 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce.
And we want to mix it nicely. The sound so good, guys. Can you hear it?
Add half teaspoon of soya sauce. Add some water to it. Because it has to be nicely cooked. If you want, you can add 1 spoon of corn flour to it so that it will become thick.
This looks like a lava.
Okay, after it boils, you are gonna add one or a very small quantity of salt into it, because we have already added salt in the prawn fries. After we have to mix it like this. I've mixed the corn flour into water, and now I'm pouring it. If you want to add some corn flour, you can add it, or it's not necessary. It's not actually important for this. After adding corn flour, it will become like this a thick texture. It will be there.
Wow, it's so nice to see. Nice smell also.
Okay, this is the last step we have to do. Prawns into this gravy. Add it fully, and you have to mix it well. Like the sauce covers the prawn fully.
Wow. That seems to good. Wow,
Nice.
fast.
You have to mix it well. You have to mix it well fully. The sauce must cover the prawns fully.
Wow.
Okay, prawn Manchurian is ready. We're gonna serve it hot.
Okay. Okay, we're going to eat. So tasty. You want to eat? Eat.